Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Anak ni Jong Hilario na si Sarina ipinagdiwang ang kanyang ika-4th birthday sa sinehan. Nag-host ito ng block screening ng Snow White para sa mga malalapit nilang kaibigan at pamilya. Nakakatuwa talaga itong sina Jong at kanyang misis na si Maia Azores dahil lahat ay gagawin para maging memorable sa anak nilang si Sarina ang kanyang special na araw.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish, Sarina.
Say happy birthday, Sari.
Yay! Happy birthday once again, Sarina.
Say happy birthday, Sari.
Alright. Okay, she already had tasted the cake. Of course. So once again, happy birthday, Sarina. I do hope that you enjoy your day and of course, this wonderful movie. So ladies and gentlemen, we are... Sarina.
Baby Snow White and Ate Snow White. Oh, sorry na. Ilagyan ng sticker. Say thank you.
Sa necklace?
Ayun ba? Say thank you. Para may tanda daw.
Oh, souvenir mo daw yan, Selena.